What is up, fellow YouTubers? I am super stoked to inform you all that the Camaro is race ready. We finally figured out what was wrong with the car, secretly got it fixed a few weeks ago, took the car out, made sure everything was cool, made sure we had no other issues. But we're gonna show you what we found. We're gonna show you how we fixed it. I'm like 62% confident that it's a permanent fix. 61%. Here's what happened. You can see in this video, the pinion angle goes crazy negative, but the spring perch never moves. So if you recall, I think it was episodes 14, 16, 19, and 23. That was getting the Camaro, sorting through the issues, finding the major problem, not being able to fix it, struggling. Car was super dangerous. Here in this video, you can see the passenger side spring taking all the load of the motor, wrapping up real bad. It was actually shortening the wheelbase under load, and then when I'd let off, the wheelbase would snap back, and that was what was steering the car. Camaro's up on the lift. It's raining outside, so I can't take anything outside at the moment. Hence, needing bigger shop. But you can see that plug weld is busted. I don't even see another plug weld anywhere. But this is the axle that's twisting. I think if it wasn't for this sway bar, we'd have a lot bigger problems. I think the sway bar is what's holding it in the car and letting it not walk out. And like I said, it's not leaking a drop. It's so odd to have an axle slipping and no fluid leakage. That's why it took me so long to figure it out. But you saw from that video, this spring perch, which is welded to the axle, well, did not rotate as the pinion went to crazy pinion angles. This one over here tried to wrap this spring out of the car, so I don't see any damage anywhere. Hopefully we can just get this thing really quickly welded up. What does that say? Got an axle tag, but I can't read it. Hopefully we'll get this thing welded up really quickly. So the procedure to weld up these rear axles is kind of complicated. I reached out to a few people who are professional welders. They told me what I needed to do. They said you need to heat the cast iron to 200-300 degrees. Preheat it, and then you need to use a nickel core MIG welder. So I went ahead and did that. We heated it up. We got it welded the best I can weld. Sorry, you're not gonna want to watch this. it.